I even feel it's slightly more pressing around the need for clear business case, at least clear business case methodology, really, even if you can't quite put all the numbers under it. Because, I see with a lot of people that with process improvements, their immediate thoughts, I guess even before the net zero agenda, was that they could, obtain some improvement on their profit margin kind of thing. Whereas net zero going into it, most see it just as cost at the minute. And I think there are some areas where you can get business benefits. Certainly energy is one at the moment. But I think as soon as that one passes, the extra layers of systems that would probably be needed to hit net zero, we're going to have to get a bit clearer about what the business benefits are of that. And it won't just be operational improvements. We'll have to start thinking about company image, winning of tenders, revenue, along those kind of lines, really.
Companies concentrate on cost of investment, as opposed to the longer term, or in many cases, a very short term cost, because the return on investment can be in a matter of months or even weeks in some circumstances, as opposed to years. So the payback period can be very, very short once the actual justification has been put in place.